Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I am back finally. I've been taking a small break because my daughter came home for the summer, and then we went backpacking on an island, which was really awesome. But I received a swap while I was gone, and I wanted to show that to you. And next week I will get back to my normal schedule, hopefully at least 3 times a week of my Plan With Me Bible journaling and then other random crafty things. So what I participated in was, if you did not see my original video for the loaded flower pot swap with loaded envelopes galore and more, I was the guest designer for the month of June. So I received my swap from my partner. Her name is Julia, and I'm not going to say her last name because I don't want to pronounce it incorrectly. But I will have a link. She has an Instagram as well as a YouTube channel, so go ahead and check her out. But I am so excited to open up the swap. So I have not even seen it yet. So she packaged it beautifully in here with some beautiful pink tissue paper and paper shred. So pretty, and oh my goodness, look at this. Awesome. She wrote me a card. I'll open it up, but I won't read it. I'll just see what it looks like on the front here. She put some really pretty floral washi on even the outside of the box. It's really pretty. Oh wow. Let me get this out here. This is gorgeous. Wow. There's a Paris theme paper. I'm not sure which paper that is, but she made a beautiful rosette with some eyelet lace and then an epoxy little rose on the top, and tied it with some ribbon. So I'll read that later. Awesome. And then she has her card here. She has these, that's a really cool idea. It says handmade just for you by Julia and I'll just show it to you because I don't want to say it wrong. And this was the flower pot swap. So that's adorable. And she included some pink flowers. These are awesome. So beautiful. And then let's see, she made some bows. That was part of the swap. Really pretty. And oh wow, looks like she sent a bag of embellishment goodies. So we'll go ahead and open that up. If I can. I don't want to cut this eyelash trim because I can use it on another project. Here we go. There. So here's one little baggie of beads, and these are blue. Oh, it's a keychain. Really cool. That's really pretty. It has a little wand and the Eiffel Tower, a little charm that says wish. These are beautiful. If you made these, Julia, they're gorgeous. There's that one. And let's see what's in here. Another charm, just like the other one, but with red and like purple beads there. There's sun or a heart and a butterfly, and this one says wish as well, and then the Eiffel Tower down there. I love these lobster claps with the hearts on them. That's really cute. And then the last one looks like gold and maybe baby pink colors. Oh, green. I think the color from the tulle on those little bags was disguising it. But there is, let's see, it looks like a swan and a heart charm. And then beautiful green beads. Oh, and this is really cool. It's like a little jar with little tiny sequins in there, and then a scroll charm there. That's really pretty. I love this white one. All right, let's see here. Lots of fun stuff. Here is one of her wands. That is, oh wow, that's really pretty. Go ahead and open it up. This is pretty ribbon there. Oh, I love it. Wow, this is gorgeous. So she layered a die-cut doily and then 2 rosettes, another doily, and then this really pretty embroidered lace applique, really pretty, and then a bunch of different ribbons and trims along the bottom, and a little bow and a little flower there. That is really beautiful. I love how she added the eyelash trim in there too. Let's see. Wow. This is amazing, Julia. And here, well, this is the flower pot, so let me show you that last. Here's another little package. I'll open that up and see what that is. Looks like maybe a little loaded bag. Okay, I'm gonna pull it off here. So, it's a really pretty, like, it has like a shine, a rose colored bag. And then, let's see what's on the inside here. Oh, just a bunch of eyelash trim. Awesome. I don't have all these colors. I think, yeah, I don't think I have. I think I may have this color. That's about it out of all these. Beautiful. Thank you, Julia. And then, wow, you really spoiled me. This is really, I love the topper on here. In here is one of the cards, I believe, or the tags, actually. And let's see what I can do here, if I can get it off without. Yeah, I'll just pull it off the back here, and I can show you. I could have taken it out the bottom there. So there's the topper. That's really pretty. And let's see. open this way. Here we go. Okay, so here's one of the tags. Wow, I love this. It's like super layered. I love the paper, and I'm not sure what paper that is, but she has a layer of the paper and then some eyelet trim and applique under there, and then 2 more layers of paper that she did like a rough edge on, and then she layered a bunch of applique and flowers and some glitter on the top, and then added this adventure light bulb at the bottom, and then added some tulle at the top. So that's gorgeous. Let's see. And then here are her handmade flowers. These are beautiful. I've never made the ribbon flowers like that, but those turned out really beautiful. I'm not going to open that because you can see those pretty well. And then she made the same topper there. Wow. And then she gave me some more trims here, an eyelet trim and then some applique trim. Really pretty. And then here is one of the cards, or both the cards. So here's this one that says best wishes. It has this cute little dog on it. And she did more layering of paper and then added some pearl trim, a doily over here, and some ribbon. So that is really pretty. And then here's another one. So there are 2 similar cards. So those would be great for me to send out. I love having cards that people have made that was part of the swap. And then here's some extras that she sent, and these look like a lot of fun. She tied it up this really pretty twine and ribbon. So here's some stickers. Hello Stationery, really cute puffy stickers. There's an elephant and a lightning bolt. Those are really cute. And then she sent me a journal. That's really pretty. It kind of coordinates with this, and it coordinates with everything else too. So thank you, Julia, for that. And now I'll move this out of the way and we can look at the loaded pot. This is really pretty. So she used this floral pattern here, and there's like a gingham up here, and then she added this trim at the top and did a little spray of flowers and ribbon and some little pearls there. There's the back. And here's another one of the wands. Really pretty. Says sent with love there, and she die cut a couple different doilies on the back, and then this floral trim there, and then she made a rosette, and then a little heart rosette, and then a little cluster of flowers with some lace ribbon there, and then a lace bow at the top there. Really pretty. Take that apart here in a second. And then here's the third wand. Let's see. I'll go ahead and take this. I'm going to show you all the pretty flowers. Oops. Or all the pretty ribbons and trims on there. She used a pink. I like how you added the little pearl at the end like that. I've never thought to do that. So there's 2 different size rosettes there, and then she layered a crocheted little doily and an applique and a flower and then a cluster of pearls on the top, and then all these different beautiful ribbons and trims. And then on the back there's some paper there with a beautiful little sentiment on the back. It's so cute. I love that. And let me see if I can get this one. I'm not going to get that one open, but you can see that through the bag there. So gorgeous wands, Julia. I love them. And then here is another little one of the other tags. So this is similar to the other one, just some differences, but she used Inspire this time, and she added some different trims in the background there and a few different colors of flowers, so, but beautiful. And there's the back. And then here is the set of embellishments. These are super cute. I love these little tiny envelopes. So there's 4 little envelopes there that she embellished, and it looks like they have little tiny notes in them. And then she made 4 butterflies that are die cut, and then she put some glitter, really pretty glitter, looks like chunky glitter on the top, with some tiny little rhinestone bodies to the butterflies. So those are really gorgeous. And there's the back. She mounted them on this super thick paper or chipboard, I guess, and then she made the same topper on that one. So that is the beautiful loaded flower pot that Julia made for me. I hope that you go ahead and check out her links. I'll put them down below. And if you're interested in the original video, I did a tutorial on how to make the loaded flower pot. I will put that link down below, as well as the swap that I made for this. So, and if you are at all interested in doing swaps like this, go ahead and check out the Loaded Envelopes Galore and More Facebook group. I'll put the link down for it below. There are some requirements that you have to do, and you fill out a little thing to be able to participate in the swaps, but it's a lot of fun, and usually they do 2 swaps per month. So go ahead and check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.